Are your joints getting stiffer as you age? Do you still believe soreness means muscle growth? Even experienced athletes make mistakes that secretly kill their progress. Stay with me to learn 5 shocking mistakes and how to fix them instantly. Mistake number 1. Thinking soreness equals muscle growth. Here's the truth. Recovery matters more than pain. Mistake 2. Lifting as heavy as possible every day. This leads to overtraining and injuries that set you back months. Mistake 3. Obsessing over the anabolic window. Protein timing is way more flexible than you think. Mistake 4. Fearing sodium. Electrolytes are vital for energy, strength, and hydration. Don't avoid them. If this is helpful, keep watching, because the last mistake is one almost no one talks about, and it could change how you train forever. Drop a like if you've ever made one of these mistakes too. Mistake 5. Not appreciating your genetics. Stop comparing yourself to others and embrace your unique strengths. If this is helpful, hit that like button. What's the biggest fitness mistake you've made? Avoiding these mistakes will help you build strength, recover better, and enjoy training for life. Drop your biggest fitness mistake in the comments below so we can all learn from each other. If you are interested on living healthier, don't forget to subscribe the channel.